financial market is a market in which people trade financial securities at low transaction costs. Securities include stocks, bonds, and precious metals. In this project, we will interview some people and try to see their point of view about financial markets and its benefits.
Hi guys, we have our first interview with Mr. Abdurrahman Al-Hussein, the Divisional Controller of Riyadh Bank. We welcome you, Mr. Abdurrahman. Please, we have a couple of questions for you, if you may. Our first question, what's the main function of the financial markets, do you think?
All right. In fact, actually, the financial markets serve several functions here, and we can talk about two of the main or important functions. First one, it's providing liquidity of financial assets, which means this is actually a market where the buyers and the seller of all the securities are available all the time. This is actually the reason that it provides liquidity to securities. Second one, which is actually reducing the cost of transactions. Various types actually of information are needed while buying and selling securities. Much time and money is spent in obtaining the same. The financial market makes available every type of information without spending actually money or time.
Our second question, please, Mr. Abdurrahman. We wanted in your opinion, what do you think, which one have the more protection to the investor?
All right. For companies and investors, we believe actually that convertible bonds is it's actually give the maximum protection to them. One of the several actually advantage of this method of equity financing is delaying the duration of common stock and earning per share, which known by EPS. Another is that the company can offer the bonds at a lower coupon rate, which less than it would have to pay on straight bond.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abdurrahman. Thank you for your time and for this video. We wish the full mark with Mr. Arabi.
Wish you all the best, and please say hi to Mr. Arabi and hope actually to meet with them very soon.
In our second interview, we are going to interview Badr Al-Hazani. It's nice to meet you, Badr. He's studying finance at King Saud University, so I'm sure that he has some information that could be of use to us. We are going to ask Mr. Badr two questions about finance. Our first question is, in financial market, a decrease in investment rate results in what?
It will result in an increase in interest rate, which leads people to demand more products, goods and services.
Mr. Badr, when you said that people would demand more goods and products and services, you meant by low prices, right?
Yes, exactly.
In your opinion, Mr. Badr, can you name some benefits of the financial market to the financial world?
Of course, there are a few, but the benefits that stand out the most are the capital formation, risk sharing, and the reduction in transaction costs.
Well, thanks, Mr. Badr, for answering our questions.
Of course, anytime.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have the third participant of the interviews, Mr. Yazid Al-Shnafi, Head of Sales and Marketing in the Saudi Telecom Company. Hi Yazid, how are you?
How are you? Thank you.
You're fine?
Alhamdulillah. How are you?
So, Mr. Yazid, can you help us explain the options in financial terms, please?
I will try my best to explain to you and our audience from my humble understanding, and hopefully I will deliver. From my understanding is to give the holders options to buy and sell stocks of a company without giving them obligations. And a current financial example is Aramco stocks. Now the stockholders, they have the option to sell and buy at any time. Aramco as a company would like the stockholders to buy and stay without selling. So Aramco is, instead of obligating them with specific rules not to buy, they're actually giving them rewards the longer they hold their stocks. So the company is benefiting by having more people staying, and at the same time the stockholders have the rights to sell or buy at any time. This is a good current example for everyone to relate to.
Mr. Yazid, how do you finance a business growth?
Well, there are multiple ways. One of which is to diversify your financial resources to finance your capital. There is another way as well. You can have multiple investors from different backgrounds, and you speak to each investor depends upon their background benefits. For example, an investor with an IT background, you could explain to them what benefit they can gain through this investment. As well as a marketing background, it depends on your investor. You should speak their language and explain to them what benefit they can achieve investing with you.
Thank you, Yazid, for your valuable time and amazing knowledge. And I hope everybody benefited from his knowledge as well as I. And see you soon, inshallah.
You are very welcome. I hope I delivered, and inshallah this will be valuable for everyone. Thank you so much.
In the end, the financial markets helps to understand the economical and financial status. The main function of the financial markets is to provide liquidity to financial assets. In this project, we learned the term option and some of the benefits of the financial markets. The business growth was explained as cross-leverage money. This project explained the benefits of the financial markets.